right, we're rolling again here in North Scottsdale area. Here we're in the community of Ancala. It's a beautiful, really welcoming community with golf courts and pickleball, so forth. The social club all comes with it, everything. I just wanted to give a quick three-part video here from the open house today. This is coming up the driveway, obviously. Just beautiful mountain views. And it's getting a little cloudy, actually, so we might even see some rain, God willing. Anyways, we've got a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. We're at $44.89 on the square foot, built in 2001. It's extremely clean, as you'll see inside and out. It has an amazing backyard with awesome views, very private and tranquil, as you'll see as we go through the house. So I'll try to get it in a couple different parts, probably 3. I think I can make it through in this one because it's not too hot today. My phone won't die out on me. Look at the beautiful glass in the store. A grand entrance for sure. All right. Extremely high ceilings. Like I said, it was built in 2001, so it does have the few pillars in the house and a lot of archways and so forth. But it's carpet in some of the house, but it's absolutely pristine and it's really, really soft. It's a super high grade, no doubt about that. So we've got a TV out there for lounging, fire pit, conversation area. Beautiful views. I know that the camera lens doesn't capture them, but we'll get outside there in just a couple of minutes. That'll probably be in segment 3. So anyways, let me get you through the house first. As you come in, here's the front entryway. So we have an option because it's a traditional split. We can go off to the right and hit the garage and the bedrooms, and then off to the left, and we can go through the kitchen, living center, and where the primary bedroom is. So let's just take a right, and they're using this right now for an office, but it would be the 4th bedroom. Has doors and extra air conditioner in here just to keep it cooler, as they do use this as an office, and some of the computers and stuff I would guess get a little bit hot. But in almost 5,000 square foot, you wouldn't need to bring the whole house down to 72 or whatever your preference is and go through all that expense. You could just use the mini split and cool the one room more efficiently, I should say. All right, so back here we've got our laundry center, complete with Downy freshener and a nice wash sink there. Very nice, and mountain views. They didn't neglect the utility room of a little natural light either. So let's see here. Yep, okay. Plenty of counter space. This is the garage. It's really big.
Garage door open.
Thank you. So we have all kinds of storage, all kinds of opportunity to really, be organized and still have 3 cars in here. So just wanted to make sure I brought that to everybody's attention. Okay, so here's the furthest back bedroom. High ceilings, just like everywhere else in the house. Same color throughout. And the carpet, like I said, beautiful. Very soft. It's its own ensuite. With a nice walk-in. Really nice tile. This probably doesn't get used all that much, but it's in great shape, and it's as clean as could be. The whole room, everything about it, it's just immaculate. All right, so we're looking at about 5 minutes here. So let's go to this other bedroom, which has access to outside. Here they just kind of have it set up as a sitting room. They don't have a need for that, but it also has a walk-in, as you can see. And it's also en suite. And the cool thing about this one is that it has immediate outdoor access. So when you're swimming in the pool, you can come through this way, jump in the shower, rinse off, dry off, whatever. Or if you just need to use the restroom while you're in the pool, that's easy to do. Just come in, come out, go about your business. Also, I should note, there are patio doors in this bedroom that go outside as well. Yeah, beautiful. See? That's the sound of silence in tranquility when you have a pool. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna back up and go to the kitchen area, and then I'll start part 2, and then we'll wrap it up just with an outside tour for part 3, okay? Thanks for hanging with me. We'll be back in a second.